day!
Hello, good day!
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. My name is Deborah Dalagan. I am 16 years old. I currently live in Palenque del Baguio. My strengths are things that makes me happy, my family, friends, and of course God.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to become a professional nurse.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I see myself 10 years from now as a more confident, independent, and a successful person. At the age of 26, I imagine myself that I already finished study and found a career that I'm passionate about and traveling any country.
How do your life experience affects your decision-making skills?
My life experience teach me how to become responsible, patient, understanding, and obedient as a person, and make a decision that have a positive outcome.
What made you choose this career?
I choose this career because I want to help and care people with dignity and respect.
When can say you are already successful?
I can say that I'm already successful when I reach all my dreams in life and provides all my family needs and wants. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi Miss, good day.
Good day.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Divine Pagalangan. I am 15 years old. I live in Palalida, Nagumit, Mandita, Davao Occidental. And of course, strengths my family.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to become a teacher.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I see myself to be a successful person.
What made you choose this career?
I chose this career because I want to help the children.
When can you say that you're already successful?
I can say that I am already successful when I already finished my study and finally have a stable job. Thank you.
You're welcome.